Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how you can add a credit card on your Steam account. This is an easy process to do, and the option I will show you is for add any payment method you got, like a debit card or credit card. And this is the the main option where you can when you can save your payment method, your credit card. So here you need to log in your account, and after that I will go to the option of administrar cuenta. This is a management account, and here you need to pick in detalles de la cuenta. In English this is account details. You pick here, and after that you need to pick here in add payment method to this account, and they give it to you. They will give to you option for add a credit card, all the information of the credit card. And this time is for my connection, but here in this part, when you recharge the page, you got here update payment method, and you can put your card, Visa and MasterCard, wherever you got. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us